Hi, my name is Dr. Yasmin Chebbi from the Flossery, located in Waltham, Massachusetts. Sleep apnea is one of the sleep disturbances that is very common in the U.S. population. Sleep apnea occurs during sleep when our body has a hard time taking a breath. In an effort to take a breath, our body wakes up, which results in less restful sleep. Some common causes of sleep apnea include weight gain, postmenopausal periods, and different anatomical considerations. In our office, we can treat sleep apnea by using an oral appliance. Normally, sleep apnea is treated by a CPAP machine, which is a machine that covers the mouth and blows air to keep the airway open. With our oral appliance, we can remove the need for the CPAP machine. Instead, this appliance fits much like a retainer. It is small, fits in your pocket, doesn't require electricity, hoses, or water. What it does is it holds the jaw forward to prevent it from sliding back during sleep. This allows the throat to stay open and allows the patient to take breaths in while they're sleeping. The procedure is painless, easy, and often covered by medical insurance. Our office has treated many cases of sleep apnea with the oral appliance, and our patients have proven to have very good results.